Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. How about you? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Are you eating that? Okay. Yeah, anniversary. It's me and Mommy's wedding anniversary. Swan thing. So the bit with the hotel was because of my 10th year anniversary. It's been married 10 years, and yesterday was my anniversary, so we decided to bring the family out. We're waiting for New Year, fireworks, hopefully a positive way to cap off 2021, and hopefully a positive way to come into 2022. Well, we are running out of space, so I'm going to cut this short. Just wishing you a Happy New Year. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Like and subscribe.
Please.
Are you asking me why we don't buy our own fireworks? There's lots.
True.